Guys, I'm here with one of my faves again, Myfirstwig. Same clean, beautiful red and white packaging. So once I open the box, I see this flyaway tamer. It's basically hair wax, you know, to tame your flyaways and make it really flat at the top of the wig. It's always really nice and handy to have. And then I have this drawstring bag here. I'm guessing this is what the wig is in. And then separate from that, I got this little pouch here branded Myfirstwig, and that's the final thing in the box. And what this has on the inside, I got this metal rat tail comb, and then I also got these two section clips on the inside. Okay, so we have this drawstring bag here branded Myfirstwig, which is great for storing your wig back in after you wear it and stuff, so that's really nice. We have a little invoice here which gives us information on the wig that, you know, is sent in the package, which we're going to get into in a few. We have this beautiful medium brown or dark brown tone wig cap. This is great to have. I love having a dark brown because it matches my skin tone better than the light one. And then finally in the bag, we got this gorgeous wig working with. So for today's wig, guys, oh my gosh, this is what we're doing. It's a gorgeous blunt cut bob. All right, so this is a natural textured Yaki blunt cut bob, and it's a glueless wig, another bomb glueless wig. I'm so happy I could bring this to you guys. And it is a invisible lace front. That's the kind of lace that is on this today. Oh my gosh, these are just the best to work with. As you can see, this is already customized. You can see it's pre-bleached and it's also pre-plucked. All right, so that's always top tier. Love those qualities. This is actually Malaysian here that we're working with today. All right, and it is a 13 by 6 lace front. It's the mid portion here that's really 13 by 6. On the sides it has less depth, and this is also 130% in density. As you can see, very full to the end because it is a blunt cut bob, as I said before, and it's 10 inches long. So it's a really nice, sleek, textured bob. I love that, and it's a 1B color, as you can see, 1B. And on the inside of the cap, this is how it looks. We have, like, they had sewn on extra, like, elastic bands, you know, just for extra security, you know, just so the wig is very secured on your head. And it is branded Myfirstwig. There's a total of 3 combs on the inside of the cap, you know, so that's good. And there's also adjustable straps in the back. You could go ahead and cut off this extra lace because, I mean, we don't need that. And yeah, that's how it looks. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. So go ahead and get into this. You know, nice natural movement. You know, it's not, it just looks like really nice quality, and it feels good as well. Of course, no shedding. This texture always feels like stronger to me. I only got 1 strand. I don't know if you guys can even see that, but yeah. So that's what it's giving. Glueless, and it's a pre-customized lace. They basically call this the new air lace. You know, it's softer and it blends and melts really easily because the lace is, you know, of course, like thinner and easier to melt down and just look more natural. So with these type of laces, you want to be more gentle when installing it and just caring for it overall. Also, they do say that this wig is beginner friendly, and I agree with that 100%. So you know what, I'm gonna put it to the test. I'm gonna go ahead and cut away the excess lace in the back, slip this on, and let you guys see that you could go ahead and apply this wig completely glueless. Of course, if you're gonna go in with any adhesive at all, that should be optional. You understand? I'll just take the elastic band on the inside and I'll just go ahead and slip the wig on. That, my friend, is super snug. Love it. And it's not like snug to the point where you feel like you're gonna get a headache, okay? So yeah, oh my gosh, yes, I feel like that extra elastic band on the inside of the cap is always so helpful with how flat the lace lays. So because, you know, because it's glueless, you need a little extra help to ensure that the lace is really sitting on your head properly, and it's not lifting up because you're not wearing any adhesive, you know. So I feel like it's so important when they do add that elastic band on the inside, and it helps with the wig not like slipping back. So yes, of course the lace area here, it's a little bit longer than I need it to be, passes my ear. Already the bob looks so good. I love that. Doing a glueless install, as I said. So usually, you guys know, whenever I'm doing like the full-on lace fronts and they're glueless, what I'll do is I'll tack the air portion, because what will happen, sometimes it will still be a little bit, you know, it will flip a little bit, and we want it to be laying. So what I'll do is get a little bit of my adhesive spray, the spray, not glue or anything. This is the Ebony New York Wonderlace Bond Adhesive Spray, and this is the extra mega hole, and it's the original one. So I'll just go ahead, I'll cut away all the excess lace here, and you want to take your time and ensure that you are seeing exactly what you're doing, because you don't want to be cutting off any of the hair that you really don't want to get rid of. Only if it is that you want to get rid of some of that hair on the front. That looks good. So you see what I'm saying? It's a little lifty right there. So I usually just go over that section there with a little bit of my, like, I'll just dot the spray on to kind of just like tack it in place, and I'll blow dry it down. But as for the rest of the lace, it doesn't need any of that because it's super flat. So let's just go ahead and take off the rest of the extra lace. That is so undetectable. So undetectable. So let's go ahead and just get to applying the adhesive on the area. So you see, I'll just dot it right there and just blow it down with some cold air, or cool air rather. Cut that down a little bit, because we definitely don't need it to be that long. Okay. And that's it for the spray. We don't need to spray any other part. This is so good. So good. You see how it looks in the front? So if you notice, sometimes when I turn a little bit, you're seeing a little bit of a cast. So usually all I do in a case like that is I'll get my lace tint spray, and I'll just, you know, dab on a little bit. And this is not an adhesive in any way at all. It's just like to further blend the lace down. And it happens, you know, like sometimes you might just need to use a little bit just to help for it to blend a little bit more. And if you don't have any lace spray, you could use your face powder, you know, just it will work just the same. All we literally need to do is go in and just, you know, get it very flat, and I'll just run back through the entire wig with my flare. That looks so good. That looks so good. You can't tell me nothing. Like, I mean, it's my first wig. Never doubted this company. They always bring top tier A-class wigs. Okay, nothing less. And of course we want this parting to be deeper, because come on now, it's a 13 by 6. Okay.
It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, driven in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know
then now I'll just run through the entire wig with my flat iron.
Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh.
Then guys, tell me why this wig has to be so perfect. Like, this is perfection. I love the cut. I love where it stopped. I mean, it could be a little shorter. It's even more. It's even edgier when it's a little shorter. But it's just perfect. It stops. It's right at the top of my shoulders. I love that. It's giving. Stiff wear. Not my first wig. No. And it was just so easy to run through. I mean, it was already nice and straight out of the box. I just wanted to get it a little bit like flatter overall. But you see, this cut is super sharp. Like, let me show you the back. Super nice. Love that. Love that. And no baby hairs needed. I fixed the front a little bit, but no adhesive whatsoever. It's looking so bomb. So bomb. So I love that. And it's laying so flat as well. Okay. Isn't that lovely? Perfect for all my corporate babes. Like, what? Stepping at a meeting in this? You need business. Yeah, it's even boss. It is. It really is. Like, no one can see your lace, but you just slipped this on this morning. Like, it didn't take much. It didn't take any time. Like, because honestly, everything that I just did in order to finesse this wig, you could do the night before going to work. Like, you could straighten it. You could make your parting more precise. All of that the night before. Put it down on your mannequin head or rest it up on somewhere, and when you wake up, you just slip this on and you're good to go to work or anywhere else. If you gotta go to school, if you just want to have it, if you just looking for convenience, this is your wig. This is your wig. And I'm happy that I could show you guys this today, because that's literally it. It really doesn't take much to look good. It's definitely beginner friendly. No cast whatsoever. No baby hairs needed. Like, what? It's like all 2023. I'm just giving you guys the best top tier convenient wigs. Okay? Period. Yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Of course, you know I'm going to be dropping all the specifications of this wig down below in my description box, and that's where you can also find the direct link if you're interested in going ahead and purchasing this gorgeous wig for yourself. Shout out to Myfirstwig once more for such an amazing wig. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.